It's winter, my roof is leaking. Do I need a new roof? Sometimes roofs leak in the wintertime due to something called ice dams. Ice dams are caused when the surface of the roof heats up from underneath. It causes the snow and ice to melt, and this melting snow runs to the roof edge, cools again, and starts to build up as ice. If you look at a roof that has big icicles, you'll notice that there's like this rounded mound of ice, oftentimes behind the icicles right at the roof's edge. This berm of ice will continue to build up, and then as more water comes down from melting snow and ice, it creates a pool of water. If there's a weak spot in the roof, where do you think that water is going to go? It's going to go through to the inside. So even a brand new roof can leak from ice dams. Shingle roofs are not meant to hold water, they're meant to divert the water or shed the water off of the roof. So this is something you definitely want to watch out for and make sure your home's protected against ice dams. If you're worried that you might be susceptible to ice dams on your roof, there's 3 things that I would recommend looking out for. 1, large icicles and ice buildup along the roof's edge. If you've got huge icicles that hang down 3, 4, 5 feet, or you can see like a big plate of ice along the eave, definitely a red flag. You want to get that taken care of. Another spot that can be a little more easily missed is ice buildup on the siding or the soffit. So if that water is pooling on the roof and it makes it through, it may not leak inside the home, but it could leak through the soffit. And you see this when you see little streams of water that are frozen to the siding of the house, or little icicles hanging from the soffit of the house. It's definitely a red flag that you've probably got a leak that you don't realize is happening. The third indicator that can definitely show that ice dams may be about to happen or are happening is if the top of the roof is melted off and clean, but the edge of the roof still has a lot of snow or ice buildup on it. If you see one of those 3 things on your home, you definitely want to take some action. So if you're in danger of having ice dams, there's 3 preventative actions that you can take. The best one is to use a roof rake and just keep the snow clear from the edges of your roof. A roof rake is like a backward shovel on a long handle. You don't need to climb on your roof. To take care of this, you can do it safely from the ground. You just pull the snow off the edge and keep the edge of the roof clear, and that allows the water to just run away like it's supposed to. There's another option called roof pucks, and they're like little frisbees made out of salt. It's the same salt that you would put on your sidewalk to melt ice. You could throw those on the roof. Again, you don't need to climb on your roof for this. You can throw them from the ground. They land on those icy areas and can help melt the ice from the edge of your roof. And then the third option is to have your roof inspected and make sure you have proper ventilation. Property Revolution can help you with that if you're located in West Michigan. We want to check your roof out, make sure that you have proper ventilation and insulation in your attic, and that's going to make your roof last longer than if you had ice dams causing more damage. So if your roof is leaking in the wintertime and you're worried that you might have a problem, feel free to reach out to us. You may not need a new roof. You may simply need to clear the edges so that the water can flow away. Everybody have a good day. Thanks for listening.